is a journey of the self, to the self and through the self. Yoga is more than just a form of exercise. It is a profound practice that nurtures both the body and the mind. Rooted in ancient Indian traditions, yoga offers a pathway to inner peace, balance, and overall well-being. On this auspicious occasion of Yoga Day, our school presents the Inner Journey, a yoga experience. I extend a welcome to our principal, Sister Gracie Paul, Junior School Headmistress, Sister Chanda Rani, Senior School Supervisor, Mrs. Prakash, Middle School Supervisor, Ms. Kashyap, Junior School Supervisor, Mrs. Sakaria, parents, and fellow students.
Yoga embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. Thus, yoga serves as a beacon of harmony, guiding individuals towards a balanced existence and fostering a deeper connection with oneself and the universe. In 2025, as we celebrate the International Day of Yoga, we proudly embrace the theme of One Earth, One Health. We celebrate International Yoga Day on June 21st to recognize the profound impact of yoga on physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. This global observance was proposed by India and officially adopted by the United Nations in 2014, highlighting yoga's universal appeal and benefits. The date was chosen as it marks summer solstice, a day of renewal and balance in many traditions. The theme for International Yoga Day 2025 is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. This theme emphasizes yoga's role in promoting global well-being, encouraging people to embrace yoga as a means to achieve physical, mental, and environmental harmony. Yoga is not just an exercise but a way of life. It is a holistic practice from ancient India rooted in the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite. It emphasizes the union of body, mind, and spirit to promote harmony and balance, combining physical postures, breath control, meditation, and ethical living. Yoga aims for both spiritual growth and physical well-being. At its core, it fosters self-awareness and inner peace. Yoga philosophy also teaches that the human body is made up of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space, reflecting our deep connection with nature and the universe.
Yoga facts. The first yoga mat was created in 1982 by Angela Farmer, who used carpet underlay to create a sticky surface while teaching yoga. Everyone has a dominant nostril. When you practice yoga, you can adopt breathing techniques to regulate your nostrils to help with issues such as willpower and concentration. 72% of yoga practitioners are women. People between 30 and 49 years old practice yoga more than any other age group. There are now over 18,000 registered yoga schools. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit language and literally means union. Yoga is not a religion, it is a science of well-being, science of youthfulness, science of integrating body, mind and soul. Yoga can improve the cognitive functioning of patients with schizophrenia. Yoga is over 5,000 years old. Yoga can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease.
Let's make this day memorable by practicing a few yoga asanas with CGM students.
Neck yoga exercises. It helps loosen muscles, improves the flexibility of neck, the cervical muscles and spinal joints. It also brings fresh blood flow to the neck area, promoting healing and reducing discomfort. Ardha Chandra Akarasana or moon pose strengthens the legs and core muscles and also enhances the flexibility of spine. Arm rotation in yoga or Purna Bhuja Shaktivik Asana loosens tight shoulders, boosts circulation and melts stress.
Urdhva Hastatan Asana. Urdhva means upwards, Hasta means hand, and Uttan means stretching. Hence, Urdhva Hastatan Asana means to stretch one's hand upwards. This asana stretches both sides of the body. It opens up the chest and improves blood circulation.
Adi Chakrasana, also known as a standing spinal twist pose, helps to stretch and lengthen the muscles along the spine, improving the range of motion and reducing stiffness. It also improves digestion and relieves constipation. Vriksha Asana or tree pose challenges you to stay grounded on one leg, improving overall balance and stability. It strengthens the legs and core muscles and improves concentration and mental focus.
Ashwat Asana or holy fig tree pose. It improves balance and proprioception, that is, perception of body in space. It stretches and strengthens the lower back, boosts energy, and improves respiration and circulation. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 dynamic yoga poses that is often practiced in the morning facing the rising sun. It is a comprehensive exercise that warms up the body, strengthens muscles, and enhances flexibility. The practice also promotes mental alertness and boosts energy levels. Individuals with coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, or having a history of stroke should avoid practicing Surya Namaskar.
Vajrasana. It is is also known as the thunderbolt pose or diamond pose. It is the only asana which can be performed after eating. The benefits of Vajrasana are it helps our digestive system in many ways, improves our bowel movements, and relieves constipation.
Manduk Asan or frog pose strengthens the back, hips, knees, and ankles. It also helps in improving digestive system, heart health, and blood circulation. It prevents diabetes, relieves stress and anxiety, and also reduces fat from belly, hips, and abdomen.
Padmasana calms the mind, improves posture, and boosts digestion. In this pose, the student is also doing Parvatasana, which strengthens the spine and stretches the upper body. Together, they bring peace and balance.
Shashank Asan promotes mental well-being, stimulates digestive organs, and aids in spine flexibility.
Gomukh Asana. It is useful for the diseases of the lung. Patients of asthma and tuberculosis should specially practice this asana. This asana helps in making the spine straight.
Ustrasana or camel pose relaxes the body, opens the thoracic and abdominal cavity, and strengthens the muscles. It also helps in improving asthma and hernia.
Paschimottan Asana or seated forward bend. It stretches the back and shoulders, provides relief from hamstring pain, improves mental health, calms the nervous system, tones internal organs, improves blood flow in the pelvic region, and helps with weight management.
Ardha Matsyendrayasana. It is a variation of the Matsyendrayasana. It removes the disorders of the respiratory system such as asthma. It strengthens the spinal column. This asana secretes gastric secretions and is very effective for patients suffering from diabetes.
Setubandh Asana. This asana forms a bridge for benefits. It makes the back flexible, reduces back pain, and stimulates the thyroid gland.
Bhujang Asana. It is derived from two words, Bhujang meaning snake and Asan meaning pose. It is therefore known as the snake pose. It relieves digestive problems and makes the waves slender, along with relieving back pain and cervical. Dhanurasana. In Dhanurasana, the liver and pancreas are made to work in a sound manner. It is helpful for treating back pain and reducing weight. Patients suffering from heart diseases are not advised to do this. Pavan Muktasana. The practice of this asana speedily releases and expels the accumulation of gas in the abdomen, and thus the body feels light.
The shoulder stand or Sarvangasana helps in improving blood circulation and digestion. It also helps in rejuvenating the body. It provides relief from constipation, headaches, and stress, and also cures insomnia and diabetes.
Chakrasana. Its benefits are improving spinal flexibility and improving blood glucose levels among people with type 2 diabetes. Your back forms an arc and the blood reaches your brain very easily.
Halasana or plow pose offers a range of benefits, including improved digestion, spinal flexibility, and stress relief. It also helps boost blood circulation and strengthens back muscles.
Asana or corpse pose calms the mind and reduces stress, headache, fatigue, and anxiety. It also lowers blood pressure.
Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This is one of the fundamental types of pranayama. It is called Anulom Vilom as Vilom means to be produced in the reverse order. This pranayama steadies the mind, improves concentration, and also helps manage hypertension. Bhramri Pranayama. The word Bhramri is derived from Brahman, which means a black bee. The sound produced during this pranayam represents the one produced by a black bee. The practice of Bhramri, the mind, and the blood circulation in the grooves of the brain helps to clear the eyes, ears, nose, and throat.
Kapalbhati Pranayam. The name Kapalbhati is derived from two Sanskrit words, Kapal meaning skull and Bhati means shine. Therefore, Kapalbhati is often referred to as a shining skull. It is a fast-paced respiratory exercise or pranayam which is supposed to be practiced by yogis to clean their brain. It strengthens the respiratory system by improving lung capacity and oxygen intake. Meditation is the practice of training your mind to focus and achieve a state of calmness and peace. By focusing your attention and calming your nervous system, meditation helps you manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Meditation can help you become more aware of your emotions and develop healthy ways to respond to them. Meditation trains your mind to focus on the present moment and reduces distractions.